Hello everybody, this is my animal cell. Welcome to Heath's animal cell. This animal cell city is very awesome. So basically this is the cell snow golems and iron golems on the side, and they let some things in and some things out. And that's why I to show that it's a cell membrane. Next is this road, which represents the endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth part for the road. And the reason why I did that is because it kind of transports stuff for everything inside the cell. So you can see it's like a walkway for everything inside the cell to transport stuff. Next is the lysosome, aka the garbage truck. The lysosome's job is to dispose of stuff inside of the cell, and that's why you chose a garbage truck. And inside you can see the back part where that's where they take all the garbage out and then dispose of it. Then it's the nucleus, aka the White House. Now the reason why I chose the White House as the nucleus is because it's kind of like the main part of the cell. It's the part that has knowledge, and that's why I have books, because well, books is knowledge. It stores basically the main parts, and it's the biggest part of the cell. Third is the Golgi complex, and I built a post office to represent this, and you can see I spelled the word mail above. The reason I chose that is because the Golgi complex's job is to kind of send signals or like tell everybody or everybody in the cell what's going on, so they know what to do. This guy is working at the post office currently. And then fourth is the vacuole, aka the water tower. And the lysosome and the vacuole are very similar because they both dispose of stuff. However, the vacuole kind of looks like this giant water orb. That's why I chose a water tower to represent this. And you can see they dispose of stuff down here, so they just dump it out there. Then we have the McDonald's, which I built to represent ribosomes. Now I chose this because ribosomes, they create proteins, and McDonald's with all the chicken nuggets and cheeseburgers they make, that represents all the protein they make, and that's the ribosome for McDonald's. Last but not least, we have the mitochondria, and mitochondria is the harness of the cell, and I can represent this just by pressing this lever. All of the redstone lamps, they turn off, and without the mitochondria, the city would have no power. That's why you turn it on, and you can see everything around here, this whole ring turns on. And then finally, when we come down here, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This road represented the smooth part, but this is the rough part. Now, the reason why you see cows going by is because that is the protein part, the ribosome, which is attached to the rough ER. Now, the main difference between the rough ER and the smooth ER is that part's job is to transport proteins throughout and hormones throughout the entire cell. I can get on this minecart. Shows you that actually goes to each tower. That is the White House. This is the garbage truck. And then over here, this is the vacuole, aka the water tower. This is McDonald's, and we are back to the mitochondria. And the last part is the cytoplasm. Now, the cytoplasm, it connects the entire city. It sends connections to each other, but it's just represented by the grass, these blocks, just the like the floor of the city. And that is my cell city of the animal cell.